Ready?
Yeah. Recording?
Yeah.
Nice.
If we run to like each bush and then work out where we run to next, kind of thing. Go to like where that knockdown tree thing is, maybe?
Going in and out of that barn.
Yeah. Just like hide behind the tree and it'll come out. I reckon run to that.
Dodge, mate. Let's do it.
So that knockdown bit.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking. Now we're in a position where we can't like quickly get out.
No.
We just get ourselves stuck
Just
here.
have to bolt and
Right, where are,
right, I reckon we just stop moving around there.
you know what might help? Looking on maps and seeing what's around the corner so we know we've got somewhere to run to.
Yeah. That kid just went in the barn, so we'll probably come out in a second.
Camera connection lost, what are you showing?
Chatting beans.
That's still good. And there's some kind of wall over there, but that's quite the way to run in motorbike boots.
Yeah. I've been wanting to come in there for years.
Eh?
I've been wanting to come in there for years.
Yeah.
Never have.
Unless we might be able to like dip into that bit there, there might be a tree we could dip in there. Literally just around that corner.
Yeah.
This is intense. Oh, we run.
It's a fair way to run.
Yeah. Although we're out of the air for now, so we might as well just end it.
And that?
Just go, just walk. Yeah, I guess that was building here.
Okay, you can see where they've demolished it all up there.
That might be sick. Oh, and that one. On the left, that looks splendid.
Yeah.
Window smashed.
Have a look there in a bit.
Ooh. There's so much shit on the floor. Ooh.
Stab.
Oh, come on.
Oh, this is cool.
Damn. So I'm taking photos consistently because we might get kicked out. So I do apologise for the phone use in the videos. I've been trying to cap that. Okay. It's fucking mucky. Oh, this is so sick. Dude, it goes up. Yeah, it's a bit shaky. Ooh, do I want to trust that? This is one of them things we have to pray it doesn't collapse. I might go round with the fucking... Alright, you're going first.
I mean, it seems pretty well built.
Yeah.
Everything's still on the floor.
Should have worn a mask in here probably. Oh, that's a death drop there.
Floor gets a bit dodgy.
Oh, great.
Oh, that's why it smells. Come on.
Dude. See, I don't mind heights when I'm not like slightly expecting to fall to my death.
You smell that?
Yeah.
1,
Ah.
2, 3,
Ah.
4, 5.
Oh, I'm gonna need my torch. Sorry, viewers.
6. About 10 skeletons.
Well, does that go anywhere?
Huh?
Does that go anywhere?
Looks like a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll check this one.
Come on.
Yeah. I was trying to see where the beams connect. So it's in line with that one. Whew.
Found a key for something.
Oh, damn. Shit. There might be someone here. That can't be a bird. That's a heavy foot for a bird. Unless they're hitting something.
There's more cutlasses.
This is grim. That's asbestos, isn't it?
Might
Looks like it. Oh, we got window right now. Could have flies.
be. Yeah, that's not happening.
Oh, damn.
Dude, see?
That's Earth building there.
Is that? Oh, shit. Didn't see that.
Them noises would trip me out. You can feel it moving, that sucks. How old is this place?
Couldn't tell you, but it's been shut for shut for at least 5 years. Probably more than that.
Yeah, it looks older, doesn't it? It looks pretty fucked.
It's pretty intact though, isn't it?
Well, all the stuff's still there, which is sick. But it's just so like rusted and trashed.
That looks fun. Cool.
What? 2012?
Yeah.
2013.
It's been, what, 9 years, isn't it? Ooh, what's in that?
Oh damn. Shit's falling down. There's like a power cable pulled down as well. I feel like this is one of those fucking like Mission Impossible like laser things. Oh. No. Or like a truck or something, yeah. Oh, we didn't see that. Oh damn. What? There's stuff in it. Probably a good idea not to touch it, but
Yeah, probably not. Danger every 1,000 volts.
how do you work all that stuff out though? It literally does look brand new, doesn't it?
It does.
Like if they tidied it up in here, you wouldn't blink. Live bush bars. I feel like don't touch anything.
Key left behind. Interesting.
Jesus.
A lot then, isn't it?
It's mad.
Give us away.
They're all just staring at us down there like, what the fuck?
Get all in that. You know what that is?
This is like an alternator.
Starter motor.
Oh, is it?
And that is a clutch. It looks like, maybe. Could be wrong. Probably am wrong, but. Fucking sick, mate.
I want to like look inside these big tanks, but at the same time I don't know what's been in them. So they got warnings on.
I mean, fucking dead body in there and shit.
Nice. Dead person.
Dead person, even better. Whoa. Goes up there.
Yeah. Oh, this does.
More sketchy ladders.
Yo, that for a sec.
Was that? Yeah.
Huge, buddy. Right by the edge of the ladder. Cheese buff. Oh, mad. Bicycle. What?
What the fuck is that?
Why are there paintings?
Oh shit. Watch it.
Wait, that's like original paint as well.
Yeah.
I used to have this. I was really into like Warhammer and that.
Oh yeah.
That's so weird. Like exactly the same.
Holy shit. Bro, microscope.
Scalpel.
Oh,
Cheeky speaker.
that's cool. I suppose that's what that's for.
Sound wire. And just a fuck off reel of barbed wire.
Yeah.
It's just weird. Maybe they just use it to dump shit in it now. Yo, what?
They're fucking expensive, those are.
Yo, what?
Put your finger in it all day.
Nah, fuck off.
Little hedge trimmer. What's that?
Yeah, little house. Had my eye on that since we turned up here. That's why we can't get in.
Ow, find a way, there's always a way.
Oh, there's a little... See, we could have parked the bikes there and just come under the fucking
Yeah,
gate.
the gate looks open as well. That was smart.
There we go, there's a way in. Oh. I was going to put that and the door's literally open. I hate opening doors in these places. Wait, that's sick. Are we on the ground floor?
Huh?
Are we on the ground floor? Is there a floor beneath us?
I don't know actually.
Just gotta be careful then. AutoCAD? No way! That's so weird.
Tell Jesus.
For fuck's sake. That'll be the subtitle of this video, Return of Jesus.
What's it?
It's I don't know if I ever told you I went to college to like study like computer game art.
Yeah. Oh, it's CAD.
Yeah.
Computer aided design. Fucking sick, mate.
It's actually a pretty nice desk. Imagine having oh, that would be perfect for my music. It's massive.
desk, yeah. You just come back with a van.
Yeah.
Have you had a look in the other room, by the way?
No, I've only been there yet. I'll like start on this section and make my way back that way. There's always a fat TV. Oh, mad.
Baby shotgun. feel bad just rummaging around in their shit, but it doesn't look like anyone's coming back anytime soon.
Yeah. This is cool though, like everything's still here. Now that's what I call music 35. What number are we on now? Like 90 something? 100? Oh, that's it being constructed. No way. That's when they were making it. Oh, actually, maybe it wasn't. That doesn't look like the same building. No. Oh, Louis! Right at the end of the corridor, there's like a whole cabinet full of papers. Oh, damn. Oh, that is sick. That is a hell of a view. I keep on thinking that's a person, but it's not. It's like a scarecrow. Why haven't we come through that way?
I have no idea. It would have been easier. Never mind.
The clock. Damn. Oh, maybe it's to weigh vehicles before they come in.
Oh, do you think?
Or when they come out.
Oh, it's a
Because
massive
that's
scale.
like a thing. Pushed down and then that's the reading. It was moving.
Do a jump. Yeah, it worked.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, let me jump and video it on the camera.
Wait, is it recording? Yeah, you're recording. You ready? Yeah. Do a jump. Yeah, it still works, mate.
Does that go down? What's the point of that? I don't get the point in that room. That's literally all it is.
It's just like a little...
I thought there might be steps going down, but it's literally just that.
Oh. I mean, 3 roof bolts.
That first room though that we entered with all the piping was sick. Like that first building. Oh, it's spiky. I was worried about ripping the trousers.
I had a mate that jumped one of those once, trying to get out of school.
Yeah.